Have you ever scrolled through your phone and seen stories about people becoming millionaires overnight? It sounds like a movie, right? One day you're just a regular person and the next day, bam! A new car, a giant house, maybe even a private island. We all have that dream. We all think, what if that could be me? It feels like winning the lottery, something that only happens to a few lucky people. But what if I told you that the world is changing? What if the next big opportunity wasn't about luck, but about being early to something huge? We've all heard about Bitcoin. People who bought it for pennies are now living incredible lives. They saw the future before anyone else did. So, what is this magical thing called Pi? Let's break it down. Imagine if you could create money just by using your phone. That's basically what Pi is. You can mine it directly from your smartphone. Mining here doesn't mean a pickaxe. It just means you open an app once a day, then tap a button. That's it. You're proving you're a real human. You're helping secure the network, and for that you earn Pi coins. Pi was created by super smart people from Stanford. They wanted a digital currency everyone could use. Anyone with a smartphone anywhere can join and start earning. Okay, this is where things get absolutely insane. Are you sitting down? The community has set a global consensus value at a mind-blowing $314,159 for a single Pi coin. I know what you're thinking. That sounds crazy. How can a digital coin you get for free be worth more than a house? It's because the value isn't being set by banks or governments. It's being set by the millions of people who believe in it. They are declaring that this is what their time, their data, and their participation is worth. This number wasn't just picked out of thin air. It's a nod to the mathematical constant pi, but it's more than just a fun reference. Brand new Ferrari, down payment on a mansion, pay off all your student loans, travel the world for years. Now for the story you've been waiting for, the one that's been going viral. How a regular pioneer became a millionaire. Not with thousands of Pi, not with hundreds, but with just one. They found a dealership run by another pioneer. The dealer believed in Pi and the GCV. The dealership accepted Pi as payment. They used the community-agreed value. The transaction was simple, yet world-changing. A small fraction of a single Pi was transferred for the car. Based on a GCV of $314,159, that fraction covered the full price. Then reports surfaced of an even bigger deal. Another pioneer reportedly exchanged exactly one Pi for a luxury villa. One tap on a phone once a day eventually led to owning a beautiful home, mortgage-free. A single digital coin made someone a millionaire. For example, in some parts of Asia, you can walk into a restaurant and pay for your meal with a tiny fraction of a Pi coin. People are buying groceries, getting haircuts, paying mechanics, paying tutors using Pi. So, a $10 meal might cost you something like 0.0000318 Pi. Pioneers are creating their own marketplaces, online marketplaces, local community marketplaces, where Pi is the only currency accepted. This creates a powerful circular economy. The money stays and circulates within the community, making the entire ecosystem stronger. And the GCV of $314,159 is the golden rule that holds it all together. Yes, this is amazing, but you might think it's too late. Let me stop you right there. You are not too late, you are still incredibly early. This is the golden window, the party is just getting started. Getting started is ridiculously easy, it takes less than 5 minutes. First, download the Pi Network app. Second, sign up with your phone number or Facebook. Third, you need an invitation code to join. Use a friend's code or find one from the community online. Once you're in, you're officially a pioneer. Open the app every 24 hours and tap the little lightning bolt. You'll see Pi coins adding up in your account. It doesn't use your phone's resources or slow it down. It's a simple daily habit like checking the weather or email, but this habit could change your financial future. We are standing at one of the most exciting moments in human history. The way we think about money, value, and ownership is changing faster than ever before. For centuries, money has been controlled by a few powerful institutions. But now, thanks to digital currencies like Pi, that power is shifting into the hands of ordinary people all over the world. The future of finance is decentralized, digital, and democratic. Imagine a world where you can send money to anyone, anywhere, instantly, with almost no fees. A world where your money isn't controlled by borders or banks. A world where you are rewarded for being part of a community. That is the world Pi is trying to build. The momentum is undeniable. With millions of engaged pioneers, a growing number of businesses accepting Pi, and historic transactions already taking place, the foundation is solid. The question is, will you be a spectator or will you be a player? The choice is yours. The digital revolution is here. Don't get left behind. Go be a part of the future. Download the Pi Network app today and start your journey as a pioneer. Your future self will thank you.